Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Vivian Uche. If this is your first time to my channel, you're most definitely welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I'm going to be installing a closure unit, and the hair that I'm going to be working with is from Hair Imperial. I got their 10 inches bob units in blonde, and I really love this hair so much. I love the texture of the hair, and I love the closure that came with this unit. I think I did a very good job with the install. Yeah, so if you want to see how I styled and installed this unit, please make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching. This is the closure that came with this unit. It's a 4x4 lace closure, and it's properly wigged. It also came with an elastic band. This helps to firmly secure your wig. What I like to do is go in with my powder shade around the lace. This helps to match my skin tone. I'm also going to apply my powder to the front of the lace, to mainly the hairline, because that's the part of the lace I really want to match my skin tone. I just went ahead to put the wig on. I really love how flat the closure is. It's very flat. There are some wigs you get and the closure or the frontal of the unit is very bumpy, like it's too thick. Nobody hairline is as thick as that, but I don't know, for some reason some companies just give people closures with such density, like it's not supposed to be too thick. But for some reason I love this one. It's very flat, and I really don't have to stress myself. One thing about bumpy closures or frontal is that you have to plug it to make it flat. And one thing about plugging is that you might plug and overplug, and that will leave bald spots, and nobody has time for that stress. Nobody has time. Plugging, it's not easy, so nobody has. See, if I can get a wig that that it's already plugged, already bleached, and all that good stuff, no matter the price, I'll get it, because sincerely it's less stress. So yeah, I really love how flat this is. It's very flat, as you can see. The only thing I'm not really feeling in this hair is just the color of the unit. I don't know, I'm not really a fan of colored wigs. The only unit that I have that is colored is the burgundy I used in my, I think, my last video, no, in my get ready with me video. And that unit was a lot brighter than that. I had to take it back for them to like darken it a little. I'm not really a fan of bright colors, so I really don't know what to, I don't know, I'm feeling some type of way about the color of this unit, but I don't know. Let me not conclude yet till I'm done. Tell me what you think about this unit in the comment section below. Does it suit me? Does it complement my skin? Is it, I don't know, just tell me what you think actually, because sincerely I don't know. I'm not feeling it at all, but I'm not feeling the color. Please don't get me wrong. I really love the wig. I love the how flat the closure is and the quality and the texture of the wig, but you see the color. I'm not a color. I don't like to try colors. That's why I decided to get this. Tell me what you think about this wig in the comment section. So what I do, yeah, I'll just go ahead to cut off the lace. I try to cut as close as possible, but not too close. I don't know, normally I just do this off. I don't know if I should do this off camera, but let's see. If I have very low hairline, so I'm very careful so I don't cut my edges. I had to cut the lace properly off camera. This is how the lace is. This is how it looks. I mean, it's still quite visible, but not too visible. Yeah, so what I do from here is that I go ahead to lay down my edges. If you notice, I have a very low hairline. I have a very low hairline. Although I laid my edges before I put the wig on, but I'll still go ahead to like place it properly. Yeah, so this is how it looks. I like to go in with my hair mousse around my hairline. After applying my styling mousse, I go in with my hairband. As soon as I'm done styling my hair, I'll just take out the band. I'll just take out the band. Yeah. So yeah, this is the finished look. I really like this hair. I love it so much. It's really silky. I did not apply any hair serum to this hair and it's very soft. All I did was to use a good straightener and I straightened the hair, and that was just that. It did not stress me at all. I really love it so much. I decided to step out of my comfort zone and get a colored unit. Yeah, and I really like it so much. I'm happy with this wig, trust me. I'm happy with the decision. Tell me what you think about this unit in the comment section. Please let me know the kind of content you like to see on my channel, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.